Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this coaster. If you want to see more crocheting tutorials, please subscribe and turn on notification. Now we will begin. We will firstly create a ring. Now we will work one chain on the ring and then chain 3. We will count these 3 chains as our first stitch. Then we will work 11 double crochets. By end of this round, we will have 12 stitches in total. Now we have our 12 stitches. Then we will close the circle. We will do this by pull over the tile and find the removable yarn. Then we will pull over the removable yarn to close the circle. Finally, we will pull over the tile and then cut off the yarn. Now we will join the round with a slip stitch and then chain 3 as the first stitch of round 2. In round 2, in every space, we will work 2 double crochets together. So by end of this round, we will have 24 stitches. So in round 2, we will firstly chain 3 as the first stitch. Then, in the current space, we will increase 1 double crochet. Then, in each of the 11 spaces on the circle, we will work 2 double crochets together. In this way, by end of this round, we will have 24 stitches. Now we finished round 2. We will join the round with a slip stitch and then start to work round 3. For round 3, we will increase 1 double crochet on every second space. By end of this round, we will have 36 stitches. You can pause here to find the pattern for round 4 and round 5. For round 3, we will still chain 3 as our first stitch. Then, in the second space, we will work 2 double crochets together. we will repeat. We will work 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets together. In this way, we will increase 1 double crochet on every second space. So by end of this round, we will have 36 stitches. Now we finished this round. We will join the round with a slip stitch and start round 4. You can pause here to read the rule for round 4. We will still chain 3 as our first stitch. Then we will increase 1 double crochet on every third space until the end. By end of this round, we will have 48 stitches. Now we come to the end. We will join the round with a slip stitch and then cut off the yarn. If you want to make the coaster bigger, you can work round 6 following the pattern here. Now we will change to white yarn to work our cream lace. To do this, we will firstly create a slip knot. Then we will join the round and chain 3. Now in the same space, we will work 5 unfinished double crochets. Now we have 6 loops on the hook. We will pull through all the loops. Then we will skip one space and join the second space on the circle using a slip stitch. Now we will chain 3 and work 5 unfinished double crochets. We will repeat this process until the end. Now we finished our last cream spot. Then we will join with the first cream spot using a slip stitch and then cut off yarn. Finally, we will add tails and done.